Hi all. In previous videos, we discussed about definition of matrices, different types of matrices, and some of the problems. In this video, we will discuss about different operations on matrices and some of the properties, also some examples. So this is very important section in your board exam also. You can expect questions from these portions. Operations on matrices. First one, addition of matrices. If we have two matrices A and B of same order, then the sum of that matrices is also a matrix obtained by adding the corresponding elements of the given matrices. Here, the two matrices should be of same order. That is, if we take matrices of the same order, then we can add the corresponding elements of the matrices, then we will get the sum of that matrices. Here is an example. Here, this is a 3 by 2 matrix. This is also a 3 by 2 matrix. Then we can add these matrices. Now, adding these matrices means adding the corresponding elements of the matrices. Here, we can add 80 by 90, 60 plus 50, 75 plus 70. Like that, we add each elements of the matrices. We cannot add 80 by 50. 80 plus 50, that is not possible. 60 plus 70, that is also not possible. We need to add the corresponding elements of each matrices. Then we will get the resultant matrix like this. So, the addition of two matrices means adding the corresponding elements of each matrices, and the matrices should be of same order. Here is an example. Two matrices A and B are given. Here, A is a matrix of order 2 by 3. B is also a 2 by 3 matrix. Then we can add A and B, or we can find A plus B. Just do yourself. Now you can check your answer. A and B are given. A plus B means adding the corresponding elements of each matrices. Then the resultant matrix like this. Next one, multiplication of a matrix by a scalar. If we have a m by n matrix and a scalar k, this k can be any natural number, integers, rational numbers or irrational numbers, any scalar. Then Ka is another matrix. Ka means multiplying K with the matrix A is also a matrix multiplying each element of A by the scalar K. Here a 3 by 3 matrix A is given. Then 3A. Here the scalar K is 3. Then 3A means 3 into the given matrix A. That is, we need to multiply each element of this matrix by 3. That is 3 into 3, 3 into 1, 3 into 1.5, 3 into root 5, like that. We multiply each and every element by 3. Then the answer will be like this. So, if we have a matrix and a scalar, then we can find the product of Ka. Here a note. Negative of a matrix means we multiply each and every element by minus 1. If we have a matrix A, then negative of the matrix is minus A. That is, we multiply the scalar minus 1 with A. That is, we multiply each and every element of A with the minus 1. Here is an example. Here we have a matrix A. Then negative of A means minus A. That is, we multiply each and every term with the minus 1. That is minus 1 into 3, minus 1 into 2, minus 1 into 4, minus 1 into minus 1. So the negative of A is this 2 by 2 matrix. That is, the matrix A is given. This 2 by 2 matrix is the negative of this matrix. Now, difference of matrices. If we have two matrices A and B of same order, then the difference of A and B, A minus B, is also a matrix. We denote it by D, the elements by Dij. Then Dij equal to Aij minus Bij. That is, we subtract the corresponding elements of each matrices. Here is an example, then it will be more clear to you. Here a 2 by 2 matrix is given, another 2 by 2 matrix is given. So we subtract this matrix from this matrix. Then 3 minus 2, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. 4 minus 4, 0. Minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. This is the difference of these two matrices, or A minus B. Here is a question. Two matrices A and B are given. We need to find 2A minus B. Here look, both A and B are of order 2 by 3. Both are same order. Then we need to find 2A minus B. That is, first we need to multiply A with the scalar 2, that is scalar multiplication. Then we need to find the difference of two matrices 2A and B. Here 2A, 2 into the given matrix A is this. That is, we multiply each and every term with A. Now 2A minus B. 2A is we calculated minus B. B is given. Now subtracting the corresponding elements. 2 minus 3 minus 1. 4 minus minus 1. 4 minus minus 1 means 4 plus 1, which gives 5. Similarly 6 minus 3. 4 minus 1. 4 minus minus 1. So we will get the resultant matrix like this. So this is the 2A minus B matrix. If we have two matrices A and B, then we can calculate 2A minus B like this. Next one, properties of matrix addition. First one, commutative property. If we have two matrices A and B, then A plus B is same as B plus A. That is, matrix addition satisfies commutative property. Here is an example. Two matrices A and B of same order is given. We calculate A plus B. Then the answer will be like this. Root 3 plus 2, 1 plus root 5, minus 1 plus 1, 2 plus minus 2, 3 plus 3, 0 plus half. Now, what is B plus A? That is 2 plus root 3, root 5 plus 1, 1 plus minus 1, like that. Then just check A plus B and B plus A. Same matrix. 2 plus root 3 and 3 plus root 2 are same. So just check. A plus B matrix and B plus A matrix are same. Hence, A plus B equal to B plus A. That is, if we have two matrices A and B, then A plus B equal to B plus A. That is, matrix addition satisfies commutative law. Next one, associative law. If we have three matrices A, B, C of same order, then A plus B plus C equal to A plus B plus C. That is, here bracket is not an important. That is, first we calculate A plus B, then adding C is same as first calculating B plus C and adding A to that matrix. So you can take any example A, B, C, any three matrices A, B, C. Just calculate this LHS first. That is adding A and B first, then C, then do B plus C, then add A with that matrix. You can check that both are same. Next one, existence of additive identity. If we have a matrix A of order m by n, then a zero matrix of order m by n is said to be the additive identity of A. That is, A plus 0 equal to 0 plus A equal to A. Here is an example. A 2 by 3 matrix is given. Then the additive identity of this matrix A is this 3 by 2 matrix. You can check A plus 0 is same as 0 plus A, which is equal to A. You just substitute the values here. You can see that both these three values are same. That is, both A plus 0 gives A. 0 plus A also gives A. So this 3 by 2 by 3 matrix is the additive identity of this matrix A. Now, existence of additive inverse. If we have a matrix A, then minus A is said to be the additive inverse of A. That is, A plus minus A equal to minus A plus A equal to the zero matrix O. That is, minus A is called the additive inverse of A or negative of A. Additive inverse means adding the matrix with additive inverse gives the zero matrix. So, minus A is the additive inverse of A. Properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. If we have two matrices A and B of same order and two scalars K and L, then K into A plus B is same as Ka plus Kb. K plus L into A is same as Ka plus La. You can choose you can take any of two matrices A and B of same order and two scalar K and L and just substitute in these equations. So you can verify these equations. Now here is a question. Find the value of x and y from the following equation. Here 2 into a matrix of order 2 by 2 plus a matrix of order 2 by 2 equal to another matrix of order 2 by 2. Then we need to find x and y. Here this is the given equation. Now 2 into this matrix means it's a scalar multiplication. 2 is the scalar. We need to multiply each and every term with 2. That is 2x, 2 into 5, 2 into 7, 2 into y minus 3 plus the given matrix equal to the given matrix. Now 2x plus 3, 10 plus minus 4, 6, 14 plus 1, 2 into y minus 3 plus 2 equal to the matrix 7, 6, 15, 14. So, given that these two matrices are same or these two matrices are equal. We discussed about equality of matrices in our previous videos. Please watch that videos. Now 2x plus 3 equal to 7. These two matrices are equal means the corresponding terms are equal. So 2x plus 3 equal to 7, 6 equal to 6, 15 equal to 15, 2 into y minus 3 plus 2 equal to 14. So from that we can write this. 2x plus 3 equal to 7 means 2x equal to 7 minus 3, that is 4, or x becomes 2. Now 2 into y minus 3 plus 2 equal to 14 means, just opening the bracket, 2y minus 2 into 3 6 plus 2 equal to 14, which means 2y is 18 or y becomes 9. So from this we will get x as 2, y as 9. So from this given equation we can find x and y, or the value of x and y, using the matrix operations. If you have any doubt in any of our videos, you can type your comment in the comment section. You can type your doubts also in comment section. Then we will discuss about in upcoming videos. Now, thank you all.